I'm going to do a quick demo of Book Creator, which we will use to start creating digital books as we continue this lesson on story elements. So once you've created or, worked with your partner and established your story, came up with your characters, your setting, your plot, what your conflict is going to be, you will then create a rough draft, either writing or using voice to text, writing your story out, telling your story. Once you've your rough draft completed, you will log into Book Creator. So you'll go to the Book Creator website. Once this loads, there will be an orange square. The orange square says for students. You will click that, and then it is going to ask you for an invite code. So you will type in the code. This code will have you join Mrs. H's class. So you'll join the class. Once it comes up in the left-hand corner, it's going to say Mrs. H's class. We have 0 books currently in our classroom library. And so you will click with your partner, new book. You'll then select the type of book that you want. Since we're just doing a demo, I'm going to do a portrait. So it comes up with your cover page. So on a cover page, you know that we need a title. So we're going to title ours Kids Playing. That's the name of my story. I established that. Then I go over here. I can change my background color. Oh, I like that blue. I'm going to go back here. My cover needs a picture. Kids playing. So I'm going to search for images. We're going to go with this one here with the kid playing, blowing bubbles. So it may take a little bit. No, didn't take long at all. You also need your name, you and your partner's name on the page because you're the authors by Hankins. Okay, so once you have that done, I'm going to take this box and move down. So then you click this arrow and it takes to your second page. Again, this is where you'll start typing your story. The kids played outside. I'm just doing a demo, coming up with something quickly. Then I'm going to add pictures to my second page. You can take pictures because we're working in groups and so we don't have any issues. I would prefer you either search images or come up with shapes. So I'm going to add this shape here. After that, I can move on to the next page. You can keep adding pages if you hit the plus, depending on how long your story is. I do not want it put all on one page. After you have created your story, if you go back to the library, click this, you can play your story. It'll actually read your story to you and publish it so that your friends could also view the story that you created. Once this is done, I will go through and view your story, make sure that you've met all the criteria. So right now it shows that we have 1 book in the classroom library. We can click on it, we can view it, we can play it, we can go through the pages of it. I hope this tutorial was